Hey everyone, Uncle Gary here. In this video I'm showing you how we made a really quick one afternoon. I don't even know if it was a whole afternoon. No, it was in the morning because we got done before lunchtime. We're making a quick wheelchair ramp. It's like a temporary ramp because, well, gravity holds it in place. Making it out of pressure treated, so in case it does want to stay there any length of time, it can. And we got some really nice tools. I got my helper there with me. It's his tools. Actually it's his job, so I'm helping him out. But as you can see how much I'm helping, I'm taking pictures. Anyhow, we're making sure things are level, you know, nice and sturdy. And then it's got to wrap around this corner just a little bit. And when it was all said and done, it come out really nice. I mean, we put the side rails on because, you know, if somebody's on a wheelchair, they can pull themselves up with the boards on the side there. Telling you, it come out pretty sweet, especially for a morning project. So, well, get ready to rock and roll because it's a little shaky on this video. Hey, if you liked what you seen on the video, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, leave a comment. And oh, here we go. Here's them rotten old animals at night. Thanks for watching.